As soon as Maggie and her friends arrived in Vietnam, they signed up for a cooking class to uncover the secrets behind mouth-watering Vietnamese dishes.
We bought all the products to make bún chả today and to make pho, which are two of my favorite dishes in Vietnam.
Founded in early 2017, Rose Kitchen is a rookie among cooking classes for foreigners in Vietnam. However, with a one-of-a-kind operating model, this workshop has made its name among first-rate cooking classes in Hanoi, according to TripAdvisor.
I think it's really interesting to learn how to do it. It's my first time doing a pho, and I didn't know that cinnamon will be in it. So it's really nice to learn the secrets.
This is my first time participating in such a cooking class. I went for a tour around a Vietnamese market. I also chopped vegetables and meat. I'm looking forward to the meatballs.
I think so yummy.
Our chefs are actually tour guides who were sent to professional cooking classes, so they have a profound knowledge of Vietnamese culture and history. Foreign guests often give me good feedback for that.
Cooking workshops like Rose Kitchen are expected to bring Vietnamese cuisine closer to international friends.
I like it very well. It's very delicious. And I will eat it also in Germany and try to cook it. Yeah, but it's hard to slice all the pieces in small, too small. But yeah, I will try it.